State of Washington number 309 has been issued from 1:45 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Clay, Loudoun, Ottawa, and Republic. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK94 in Concordia, Kansas. Here are the 8 p.m. conditions in the local area. And close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions.
It's right there, my friends.
The DREAM Act is not going to be voted on before the 2012 election. There's this thing called Republican control of the House of Representatives. It isn't going to happen. So what is this on MSNBC other than a shameless lie to try to get the illegal alien vote behind Obama and the Democrats now by dangling a carrot in front of them that is not going to happen? So the regime puts out a lie, a press release, a phone call from somebody in the Oval Office, somebody in the West Wing. Call all these leaders. Hey, you know, DREAM just couldn't get it done. You run with it. You have free land direction. A hapless contested rural reads its teleprompter. Hey, guess what? The Democrats say there's still a chance of getting the DREAM Act done by November. And what this is supposed to take the illegal aliens out there and coalesce that vote behind Obama and the Democrats. That can be the only explanation for this kind of quote-unquote news reporting. To the phones, as I promised. Who's up? Edwardsburg, Michigan. Brett, you're first today. Nice to have you on the EIB network. Hello.
Hi, Russ. It's an honor to speak with you. Mega Upton Country Dittos.
Thank you, sir.
The media has a love affair with Obama, as you well know. And after killing Osama, I'm wondering, you know, the only reason he won in 2008 is because the media was in his corner. And I'm wondering that with the supposedly skyrocketing approval numbers, are Americans going to be fooled again into thinking that he's unbeatable? I mean, I know he's unbeatable because I'm a ditto head, but I mean, would your average American be fooled into thinking that he's unbeatable again?
Well, I think they're going to have a tough time with this. There are certain things that you can spin for the average American, but you can't spin what milk and eggs or beer and cereal cost them if they're in Rio Linda. And you can't spin what gasoline costs them. And you can't spin how their homes have lost their value. There's certain things that people are living. Here's the one thing. This is what the regime is going to do. I know exactly how they're going to do this. They're going to position Obama as still in the fix mode, trying to fix this horrible mess he inherited. Their main push will be to say that all the economic circumstances that exist today are the result of so many years of Reagan and Bush, and that he was wrong about how fast he could turn it around. It would take a lot longer than he thought. So it depends. The answer to your question depends on how successfully they can portray Obama as still an innocent bystander with no role in any of this. Now, that's where the Republicans come into play, and whether or not they're going to have the guts to have a message that ties all of this to Obama. They're going to have to do that. And when I say guts, they haven't had any up till now. They haven't wanted to be critical of Obama because they haven't wanted to be called racist, which still happens. They don't want to be attacked as being somehow opposed to the historic nature of Obama's presidency, being the first black president, and all that. But the Republicans are going to have to be aggressive, and they're going to have to with real guts. They're going to have to tie Obama to this, because the living circumstances for the American people are very real. They can't be spun. What can be spun
what?
Weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest
he finally answered back. Do what? I can't understand what you're saying. Oh, no, but... Oh, really? Well, you called me, didn't you? Oh. Yeah, we got too close to it and had debris falling on us. Yeah. And we tested and we tested the all-wheel drive for sure. Hell yeah, now we're still going towards it. What? We are being careful. Isaac started getting pretty scared. I don't think Leland cared too much.
I got scared.
It didn't hit us, it was falling out of the sky. Like white tin and hay and I just called the National Weather Service to report the rotating wall cloud that I just saw. I don't see any damage. I can't. We weren't close enough to see the damage. We would have been the damage. Oh. Do what? We're on State Street, and I can't really see too much right now, but we're on State Street right now, going east, and I can't really see too much except for a bunch of dark. I saw it back on. We were on the hill by Rolling Hills. See, we went down to a K140 and then went back west to try to get out of it. And then that's when it was crazy. So then the only choice we had to do is go north on a dirt road. And K140 was about flooded. I wouldn't go any further. I'd probably go north on Headville Road. I mean on Halstead Road. Yeah, we're because we're getting into rain too. We're going east on State Street till we get to Headville or Halstead Road, and then we're gonna go north.
I would say, Dan, that is at least a touchdown of a tornado.
Yeah, I put $15 worth of it in earlier.
Right now. Now I see another.
It is spectacular.
Really handsome to say.
We're good. It was raining and hailing and shit. I was like, oh no. And we had it at 4 low going down mud roads.
We had just talked about how this storm on radar didn't look anything like what it did. Producing a large tornado earlier in Wright County.
Yeah, I didn't see the tornado itself, but I definitely videotaped and took pictures of a rotating wall cloud. I actually took a picture of another wall cloud that was to our west that nobody even said anything about that one. And we were like, I was scared to go back to Culver because it looked like there was a wall cloud going right towards Culver. Not so far, no. It'd have to come from your southwest. Like, it would have to hit Culver to hit Minneapolis, basically.
Your location and many other folks now.
But yeah, there's a large tornado on the ground. I think it's east, probably a few miles east of Salina now. I don't know if it went through Salina or not.
New Cambria.
Just kind of cycling over and over again.
Like damaged in Salina?
What happens, but
our radio tower
Tornado
is in the New Cambria area right now.
Yeah, New Cambria.
Something going on out there with some lightning knocking us on and off the air.
We should probably go that way. Yeah, we're not going in it. Don't worry.
News Radio 1150.
There's spotters everywhere. I think. I mean, it's hard to tell who's who, but
Let's go to Dana Bronson. He lives.
we got so close to it earlier. We had debris falling out of the sky on us. I know. Yeah, we will. Take care. Bye. What? You see it right there, Dad?
And we've been talking all evening about the heavy
let's go to it.
that this cell has been producing as it pushes away from New Cambria and pushes eventually over towards Manchester here within the next 20 minutes or so. Very heavy rain will surround this tornado, so unfortunately for folks that live in the impacted areas and for all of our storm chasers, this is not going to be an easy one to see. And looking at the radar, it looks like it could be a very large tornado.
Yeah.
Really the first one.
Do you think it's a tornado?
well, let's see now. We have a spotter. What is it? I believe, Todd, you're a Saline County Emergency Management saying
slowing down.
Slow down.
In that area as well. I don't think any of those guys are on the line right now. If any of those three would like to call. All right, we do have Andrew on the line. Andrew, are you seeing that tornado right now? Andrew, where are you and what are you seeing?
Hello, Ron. This is Andrew. I'm actually here at the First Covenant Church here in Hawaii. I'm
There was a turnaround.
Huh?
Remember that turnaround. Well, it's too late now.
What has been out there for a while? I don't really see.
Nick doesn't answer the phone.
Exactly what Nick was talking about there for a while. I can literally see what he was talking about from over here in Carolina. So I did actually see it. It was touching down as it looked like from where I was at.
So again, that's our spotter, Andrew Gable, out behind that right now. We've got Dana trailing it. We have Billy Hansen above it right now. And again, strong rotation reports of debris and power poles over the highway on K4 highway. Now we've got another report coming in. A spotter reporting a large wedge and debris flying on Mueller Road, a mile north of Upland Road. So again, it says spotter reporting large wedge debris flying. So again, dangerous situation out there. Dan, this is a little sketchy right here. It doesn't say if they're seeing the large wedge tornado. They are seeing debris flying on the road. About a mile north.
I saw debris falling from the sky
here in Saline County. Again, a dangerous situation. You live in Salina, particularly the southern part of Salina, the extreme southern part of Salina. You should be in your tornado shelter right now. In downtown Salina, I can report hearing some very ominous wind from the top of the building, and it is absolutely pouring. It is pouring buckets and buckets of rain right now in downtown Salina at the townside building. We're up on the third floor of that. So again, very dangerous situation. If you live in Salina, if you live in Assyria, if you live in Gypsum, it's a good idea right now to be in your tornado shelter. You should be in your tornado shelter right now. Dan, do we have any more?
I'm like, oh crap.
Oh, this is funny. Funny.
I was about to tell you, but you told me to.
I gotta stop. I got this thing that I can't stand it. We're good, right?
For the moment, yeah.
Now what? What's he doing? Oh, don't. I don't know.
At this point, so at least we're not getting those reports of the large damaging tornado we were earlier, but this thing has not really given up yet. It continues to show the rotation, some debris visible, so it is possible that we could have a tornado, just not as evident as we saw earlier. The concerning thing is this storm heading almost directly into the Salina area.
I'd rather piss my pants.
Why is it coming?
For a brief
Did you pee?
Yeah. The lightning deal.
Oh, yeah.
North and then on to the northeast. So
That's scary.
Lightning or what?
Yeah.
And it's, man, it's coming.
Can you see anything over there?
It's coming this way. No, I mean it.
Kind of northerly?
Again, tornado warning does continue.
I was looking at the clouds, man, and it's moving on this way.
North?
Or west. North.
Videos right now. Just scrolling through different videos.
I can't see anything.
Right now. And not seeing the tornado that I was seeing in the video.
North, and I'm seeing a lot of rotation. I see a few puzzles coming down. There was a few touchdowns. It keeps on picking up and coming back
Go
down.
west.
So it is heading north.
west?
It's coming down right now.
Is that a wall cloud right there?
I'll go
So, and it's heading north.
Exactly where are you at right now, Andrew?
I am at a mile north of this area. It is actually starting to go down.
Interstate 135 is where you're set up right now then, right?
That's correct. That's where I'm at right now. I'm looking at it right now. It's starting to become fine.
All right, sounds good. Check back in when you have something else, Andrew. And I think I'm watching the same thing on video right now that Andrew's watching on chasertv.com.
We got so close to it earlier, we had debris falling out of the sky on us. I know. Yeah, we will. Take care. Bye. What? You see it right there, Dad?
And we've been talking all evening about the heavy
let's go to it.
that this cell has been producing as it pushes away from New Cambria and pushes eventually over towards Manchester here within the next 20 minutes or so. Very heavy rain will surround this tornado, so unfortunately for folks that live in the impacted areas and for all of our storm chasers, this is not going to be an easy one to see. And looking at the radar, it looks like it could be a very large tornado.
Yeah.
Really the first one.
Do you think it's a tornado?
Well, let's see now. We have a spotter of, what is it, I believe, Todd, you're a Saline County Emergency Management saying.
Yeah, I'd say that looks like a tornado.
Still on the ground just north of I-70.
I-70 on Niles Road, they're reporting tornadoes still on the ground, and we've got a couple of different spotters out in that area.
We're really close to it.
Out in that area.
We're really close to it.
You want to slow down?
Yeah,
they're slowing down.
Slow down.
In that area as well. I don't think any of those guys are on the line right now. If any of those three would like to come in. All right, we do have Andrew on the line. Andrew, are you seeing that tornado right now? Andrew, where are you? What are you seeing?
Hello, Ron. This is Andrew. I'm actually here at the First Covenant Church here in Florida. I'm
There
able
was a
to
turnaround.
Huh?
Remember that turnaround. Well, it's too late now.
What has been out there for a while? I don't really see.
Nick doesn't answer the phone.
Exactly what Nick was talking about there for a while. I can barely see what he was talking about from over here in Carolina. So I did actually see it. It was touching down as it looked like from where I was at.
So again, that's our spotter, Gable out. Behind that right now, we've got Dana trailing in. We have Billy Hansen above it right now. And again, strong rotation reports of Dana drop off. He's had some sketchy cell coverage out there in the area right now, but Dana was on it. Dana did see it when it dropped down and was seeing debris as well. Dana did encounter a large tree across the road as well when he was out in that area as well. Dana, are you back?
Yeah, I am. Sorry about that. My cell coverage can get sketchy at times, but yes, we're just coming up on the Niles Road at the I-70 interchange.
Yeah.
And for the most part, consisting the rotation with the funnel, as much as it was earlier, has now sort of gone back up to the ground. So it's not nearly as low as it was on rotation, but it's not
See that over there?
as bad looking as it was just 5-10 minutes ago.
Now, Dana, where exactly are you at? We're just getting a report, a spot reporting a tornado about milepost 260, saying it's maybe a quarter-mile wide and partially rain-wrapped. So again, that's a
That's it,
milepost
right?
260 that's being reported. Where are you at, Dana?
Well, Nick and I see at the Niles interchange for Niles and I-70 meet, and all the officials have the traffic stopped right now.
And if I could get up to an exit or something.
Just being concerned, it looks like a lot of the signs have been blown over. So this looks like where it crossed, but we don't see anything that like that. It's not there. You just can't see it because we're coming up from the back side of it.
Yeah, and the problem is, are you counting any rain out there, Dana?
No, not at all. Well, there sure is a lot of people pulled over taking pictures, and we'll get it. I mean, it's a beautiful view. It's very picturesque. Just not
It's gonna be right
very
there.
serious at the moment.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't see it
Stay
touching
safe
now,
out there and then continue the
Don't see it
traffic.
anymore.
We've got spotter Billy Hansen.
I definitely saw it, though.
It's a really good lowering,
Let's
though.
go back to the severe weather now.
It's a good lowering over there.
With ago, it's around milepost 260. This tornado appeared to be partially rain wrapped, so that would verify what you were talking about. The tornado warning at northeastern Saline County continues until 7:30. And we also have to be concerned for as it
Miles Road.
it is moving into Dickinson County and southeastern Ottawa counties. Also a tornado warning there. And I'm going to get some track on this. It looks
I'm
like
gonna turn back around, back the other way.
9 or 8, and it'll be moving over towards Manchester and then passing. It looks like to the southeast of Langford at about 8:20 or so, just to kind of give you an idea of, or I'm sorry, I've got an hour off here, 7:10 and or 7:20. That'll be passing very close to you. But the radar continues to show the potential of a rain-wrapped tornado, Dan, so it doesn't look like that's changed. The velocity, though, have you been looking at the wind couplet? I mean, this really is a very dangerous system here.
Now, no doubt about it, it is strengthened just over the past 20 minutes or so. It looked to almost weaken a bit when it was becoming a rotating wall cloud, and now it's moved a little bit further to the northeast and has regained some punch. So obviously northwestern Dickinson County,
personnel heading out to our transmitter site, Dan, and we just got a call in from them. The KSAL transmitter is actually in the New Cambria area. They're reporting uprooted trees, and they're reporting a lot of people out there pulled off to the side of the road or are taking pictures and looking around as well. But they're reporting some roadsides down and multiple uprooted trees as well. Again, that's in the New Cambria area along Highway 40 is where they're at right now. That would be east of the city of Salina right now along Highway 40. Again, they're reporting multiple trees down, and they're reporting some road signs blown down as well. Again, that's a couple of our station personnel headed out to our
Oh, look at it. Look at that. Woo! I'll be dang. Look at that. Wow, that's awesome, man. Woo! Oh, look at all of them. Awesome. Look at that thing. There's the beam.
I saw it get bigger and like longer.
Whoa! Awesome! Oh my God!
Grandpa, look at that guy. He's sitting on the window.
It's down. See it? Leland, look, see that? See that blue?
Not on the ground yet.
Nope, they put the tail down there.
Not on the ground yet, though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh,
It's on the ground.
It looks like it was still up in the hot.
Man, it just said formed real quick, didn't it?
That's a tunnel. That looks like a tunnel.
Hang on.
It looks kind of like the one I saw back on my...
Looks like it's gonna fizzle out. No, it's getting bigger. Oh, it's getting white.
Looks like it.
Growing.
Get it in there.
It's growing. It's growing. Seconds.
What? You okay? Oh, good. It's getting bigger, man.
Find out